welcome everybody to another tier list video. This is also about Pillar Chase again, except this time it's about potential, like who has the best potential of being added to the game. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, first up is the Smiler. Man, maybe has potential, but probably doesn't have a chance. But let's keep at maybe. If they do get added, I would just be saying their speed, their pretty much everything, and their abilities, their damage. You know, you get it. Damage if they had Smilers, probably like 45 damage per hit. They could just have the face, which only the face is what I'm gonna go with. So instead of the full body, okay. So what was it gonna? Oh yeah. So ability 1 would probably be if it's in a map where it's like inside with lights, then the Smiler would be able to turn off those lights if it's near. So if anybody's near, the lights would turn off or break. So their vision would darken a lot, and then the Smiler would be able to, get them. So yeah, the second ability would be able to be if I don't have any idea what abilities they have if I don't have any idea what their abilities should do, just comment down below and tell me what ability, or if you have any idea what abilities they should have, just comment down below. So yeah. Alright, next is Bacteria. Not awesome potential, has pretty good potential. Alright, damage probably around. Oh yeah, I forgot the speed for these guys. Speed would probably be around 19. And then for this guy, damage would be 41, maybe? No, not 41. 50 damage, yeah. 50 damage for this guy. How fast is he gonna... how fast is an average human in Pillar Chase? Hold on. It doesn't tell, so I guess we're just, guess. I mean, the Bacteria is, slower than me. Probably, a good 21 speed. I'm pretty confident with that. 21 speed is alright. Alright, next is Warden. Probably doesn't really have a chance. Has pretty good chance. Potential, maybe. I guess, I don't know. Ability, damage. Yeah, I think we all know how much damage it would do. 100. It could one-shot an average human in Minecraft, even with full iron armor. So we don't have any armor, so that's probably a one-shot. Is a one-shot. This time, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm guessing you all know why. It's blind. It only has sound. So, it would have an average speed of... No. Sprinting speed is 23 speed. It could only see the map, not the humans. So it's everything else is normal except it cannot see the humans. But if there's with the Warden and upcoming monsters getting added, I'm pretty sure you guys could see who else is blind. um they have a crouch button. Alright. Alright, so you're probably wondering, how is the warden able to actually like find them? Ability is gonna, that's the second ability is gonna help with that.
But I'm also kind of quick, so I just tower up right here. Then I should be safe, right? I mean, the warden seems to know that I'm right here, right? And we get this whole particle going over to the warden. That's cool. But that's the thing. The warden can't get me. Oh. Or can it?
I don't really know how to explain it, but it's the damage on it would do 75 damage if it hits a player or manages to hit a player. It would show the location for 15 seconds. Also, it has range, so yeah. What else? It shows the player for 15 seconds, the location for 15 seconds. So highlight them. Alright. The second ability will place down those thingy that alerts those other thingies that if you trigger them like 3 times, it will spawn the warden. I think. I don't know. You guys could I'm pretty sure you guys know. I'll probably put a picture of it right now. So yeah, he could place those around the entire map, which would be nice. Up to at least like 10 of them. If a player gets near them, it would make noises, or even gets not near them. Yeah, near them actually. Yeah, near them. If the player gets near them, it will alert the warden where their location is for 10 seconds. The player could destroy the block thingies, but if they do, 2 downsides. One, the warden will get faster. 2, warden gets a speed buffer 15 seconds. Not 15. 10 seconds. And it will show the location again. So, yeah. That's the warden right there for you. Alright, next, I'm pretty sure you all know who this is. The same guy who made this guy right here. The bacteria. This is what was his name again? Oh my god. The Rolling Giant. Yeah. So Rolling Giant, here's how he works. At the start, it's kind of like Baldi. At the first 30 seconds, he's able to move freely like any regular monster, right? Oh my god, I just noticed something. I forgot to add somebody. Holy crap. Give me 2 seconds. Anyways, alright, so I think the Rolling Giant at the first 30 seconds, like as I said, he rolls around normally, except when a player looks at him, he can't move. Yeah. But after the 30 seconds, he can move freely. Okay. Force map would probably be the worst map for this guy. Since, yeah, you know. But Fogborn's best map is the Force map. So, you saw me you could pretty much kill everybody in the Force map because of how wide open it is. So, yeah. So, he can move freely. He one-shots too. His max speed is 26. No, 50 damage per hit. Well, is there any animation for this guy? I don't. Then the fucking one shot. Fuck it. Run him over. Run the player over. Whatever. Its speed goes to 19 to freaking 24 sprint speed. Basically, it kind of rolls. So it starts off 19. No, it starts from 0. No, 1 to freaking 21. So it's rolling, you know? Probably gonna be one of the worst monsters in the game. Except it could teleport. Ability 1, teleporting. Ability 2, camouflaging. Like basically, no, not camouflage. No, maybe no. Ability 2 should make him be able to see where anybody is, basically. So yeah, idea for that guy. Hopefully you guys like it. Seek. Alright. That's pretty good potential. Seek, sprint speed 24 all the way down to walk speed 10. Is that too fast? I don't know. Yeah. Per hit is gonna be like 30 damage. Nothing crazy. Stamina. Oh, I forgot the stamina. The stamina 100 for Warden, 100 stamina for this guy. Or not the bacteria. 50 stamina for that guy, and then infinite stamina because rolling doesn't need stamina. You get the point. Yeah. 50 stamina for that guy. Did I say 30, like 40 per hit? Wait. Boop. Can my brain work for 1 second? Holy crap balls. Alright, ability. Alright, the abilities are eyes and I don't know, I can't come up with names. Alright, so basically Seek will place eyes across the map. Could go up to 11 or 8. Probably 7. You're gonna be wondering, why are these eyes even? I'm pretty sure the smart ones will know. It's basically cameras. Bomb. Basically eyes. Yeah. So, if the eye sees at least if the eye sees somebody, it will let you know. That's where second ability comes in, teleporting. Except you kind of just go under the ground and then you get the point. Also I forgot, Warden will spawn. This probably make it more OP, but the Warden is able to teleport to the little second ability. You get the point. God, stop fucking taxi. God, Flip Pop's freaking Discord. Anyways. Alright. So yeah. Let's Seek for you. Alright, figure. Just like Warden, blind. Basically same thing except different abilities. Alright, what are the abilities for this man? Probably gonna stop the recording right now because my iPad's almost dead, but we're gonna keep going till 1%. Not 2%. Figure. Abilities. My brain is empty. Okay, guys. So I'll get that through your brain. Anyways, Figure's abilities are. I forgot the status or the. What did I just say? I don't know. Damage, fit, 100, just like Warden. Stamina 120. 120 sounds good for Figure. Speed, probably like 19. No, 20. 20 sounds good. No, 21 sounds better. Anyways, Figure is ability for Figure is Leap. No, is that MX already has that, but whatever. And like God, my brain is empty. Alright. And like, like weird yellow smiley thing, that Pac-Man guy, basically kind of like that, where he throws like a rock, like basically grabs a rock under the ground. The frick is this? Boop, 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 boop. Anyways, basically he grabs a rock from like underground and then throws it, dealing 30 damage to the player and giving you a little speed buff, plus knowing where they are. So yeah. Alright, alternates. This is gonna be a really cool monster. Alright, here we go. Basically 0 damage, normal player speed, and 150 stamina to at least catch up to the player. Alright, maybe wondering, why does it not do any damage? Well, the abilities are explaining why. So, basically alternates, I don't think they can attack anybody. Like, is what I'm getting, I think. So, they do 0 damage. I don't really watch the Mandela Dark. Shut up, guys. I don't really watch the Mandela catalog. Yeah, that's right. So, yeah. But I heard they just basically make you. Okay, anyways. Ability 1. Transforming into an alternate version of your friends. Basically, I'm like a more distorted version of your friends. So, basically, kind of like, I only accept a little bit not as good. Okay, so you're thinking, what's so special about that move and the monster itself? Well, the monster itself so kind of like Uncle Samsonite and kind of like Uncle Samsonite, there's a bar above you. So there's a bar, right? A sanity, right? If you look at the monster, your sanity goes up, right? And if your sanity bar gets max, you cure yourself.
Your life is nothing. You serve 0 purpose. You should kill yourself now.
Great idea, right, guys? That's such a smart idea. But the human one makes your sanity bar go up even more or faster. Yeah. Okay. So I didn't see the sprint speed for this guy. 21 sprint speed. On as a human, 23. So basically, yeah. So, oh yeah, we're at 2%. Alright, let's finish this monster and then we'll be back at least like 20%. Alright, so second ability is gonna help the monster. Every freaking 15 seconds, you could force the player to look at you. A little bit overpowered, except that they get a speed buff if you do that. So, one downside, but at the same time, one upside. So, yeah, that's the alternate. So, if you enjoy this guy, if you think this is a good idea, I wonder if Pillar Cheese is seeing this video. Please add alternate on my idea, please. That'd be such a cool monster. So yeah, we'll be back in like 1 second. Alright, we're back. This stuff probably changed a little because I had to start everything all over. For some reason I reset it, but okay. That's alright. So, yeah. I think this is Wretches or something. Alright. My throat kind of sounds bad a little, so yeah. Okay. The Wretches, I think they're I don't know. Yeah, Petty has a good chance. Alright. So you spawn as this thing, a zombified human. Basically, with this new entity or monster, they will add a new item called almond water. Basically, in the back rooms, you have to drink these to keep your sanity up. So, okay, every time you get hit by this guy, you'll become infected. So, if you don't have almond water or drink it in time, you will turn into one of these guys. So, basically creating an army. Like a zombie army. So, yeah. So, you better have almond water with you, or even buy almond water in case if the next guy is a wretch. Ability 1, or no, we gotta explain the ability, everything. Okay, so damage, 30, no, damage 20 per hit. Speed 19. Alright, what else? Stamina 100. So basically, if you're a zombified version, or like not the monster, like not the true monster, and you're infected, you don't have any. Basically, you'll do only like 10 damage. Basically, just a weaker version of the actual monster. So, yeah. Abilities. Okay, so abilities for this guy. I don't think this guy would really have any abilities, especially since they only have like weapons and stuff like that. So yeah, let's move on. No abilities for the guy, so probably gonna be one of the weakest monsters in the game. Anyways, alright, this guy, the dealer, I think he has a pretty good chance. Okay, let me explain him. He doesn't spawn with a shotgun. That's one of his abilities. So, he's gonna just punch you, basically. Every punch does 30 damage. His speed is 18. You'll see why he's slow later. You'll see why he's so slow. Next is his stamina, 100. So yeah. Moving on to his abilities. His ability is a shotgun. You only get 1 shot per minute. If you miss that, then yeah, good luck waiting 1 more minute. Every shot is 50 damage. No, actually 80 damage. So yeah. If you're human, you better watch out because you're practically dead if he uses his shotgun. If you're under 80, so yeah. Alright. Second ability is teleporting you to like a mini game, kind of like this one, except a little bit shorter. Whoever wins the first match loses. If the monster loses the match or the dealer loses the match, he gets knocked out for 30 seconds. If the monster wins, then the player dies. So, yeah, you better get lucky with this one. Alright, catnap. Maybe. Damage. Does 45 per hit. Speed. 21. Probably would have been faster if it was actually a monster. Oh no, if it was actually the catnap. Stamina. 120. Alright, abilities. Red Mist. The Red Mist. Basically what it does is if people, Samsonite and who else under the bar above them? I forgot. Oh yeah, alternate. If they have the bar above them, they have a bar above them. Basically, if you stay inside the Red Mist for too long, you see hallucinations of hallucination. Oh, fuck. Anyways, yeah. So if you stay in it, eventually you're gonna knock out for 30 seconds. Catnap. If you are in the mist, you'll be highlighted. So you better not stay in the mist or even be in the mist. Second ability, hallucinations. God damn it! You'll get the point. Catnap makes different copies of him. If one of these copies manage to hit a player, it only does 20 damage to the player. But they are slow. They only walk, so they're not as fast. They're at least fast as slower than masked players. So yeah. Alright. Next. What is it? Hypno? Yeah, Hypno. Alright. Damage 50. Speed 20. Stamina 80. Alright. Abilities. Hypnotizing. Alright, hypnotizing, basically what it does is, you don't see it in this image, but he's holding a little string with like a little ball. Basically what he does is basically makes players with this, or any enemies in Pokemon, basically like hallucinate or whatever. I don't get it, but basically they get hypnotized. Well, duh. And if a player gets hypnotized, then, or they stare at it too long, then just like they have a bar. So if you get hit by it, then it will never go down. So it's more fair for Hypno. If they get fully hypnotized, they will walk towards the monster. So you get a free hit. If you hit them once, then basically it's like a worse version of the dance move for Samsonite. So yeah. Second ability, basically just like Samsonite, will send him to like he will send him like to a cave. Basically, the lore of him basically he steals children and like puts them in a cave type thing. Basically, what the player has to do is try to escape the cave that he's in. If he doesn't manage to do that, so they have an infinite timer. Okay, so basically no timer. Monster has to find him. If he finds him, then it's game over for the player and the timer goes up. If the player escapes, the timer goes down by 30 seconds. So, yeah. Wait, did I say down for the player? If I did, then up. Alright, next monster, Death Angel. I'm a big fan of this. You're going with the blind boys. Basically 3 blind monsters together, so. Alright, just like the rest, you only see the map, not the players. If players move, or run, or walk, they will basically die to him. Alright, what else? Damage. 80. No, not 80. 100. We all see what happens if Death Angel captures a human in the movies. It's pretty bad. Sprint speed. Alright, this is a tough one. If you've seen the movie, I'm pretty sure you've seen how fast these guys can move. Pretty fast. So, I don't know, how fast are they? I'm just gonna put like 45 speed because yeah. Okay. Abilities. Leaping. If you manage to catch a player while leaping, you will pin them down and bite their head off. A one-shot move. This is a pretty OP monster, so probably costing a lot. Second, close hearing. So basically, you will stand still, and if any player makes a single noise, they will be highlighted, even across the entire map. So, yeah. Before the Death Angel makes this, does this, he will make like a loud roar, so indicating that basically just don't move at that point forward. So yeah, that's everything. Also damage, 85 per hit. Pretty OP monster. Probably one of my favorites so far, so yeah. Alright. You all know the Peanut SCP. We all know him. So I don't really think I'd explain how he works. So if you idiots don't know what this monster is, or SCP is, it's SCP-173, otherwise known as, everybody calls him, Peanut. Alright, Peanut, basically, if you look at him, he doesn't move. If you blink, then he will basically kind of snap your freaking neck. He moves at a speed of like 75 miles per hour, I think. I don't know. So we're just gonna give him like maybe a little bit faster than Baldi. Baldi moves at let me just say 45 speed. So yeah, basically 80 for the Peanut. You also get a teleporting move or ability. So yeah, pretty OP. Downside for the Peanut is you cannot teleport while somebody's looking at you. Actually, it's not even given by abilities. Damage infinite. Basically one shot for any players. Unless if they have the tanking move, the Tinky ability, or the you're making me angry. Basically, if they have the Tinky buff, then it's not one shot. So we're just gonna make Peanut's damage infinite. So yeah, there's no escaping the snaking, the Peanut neck snapping. I don't know. My personal favorite of the monsters, other than Death Angel, these two are my favorite so far to do. Also, kind of like Catnap and Alternate. Alternate is probably my favorite ability sayer. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, bro. I'm yapping at this point. Alright, Bracken. Bracken has an awesome chance. Me personally has an awesome chance. Reasons. Well, it's scary. Everybody pretty much kind of wants him in the game. Alright. So, this will probably be an OP monster. Or it is going to be an OP monster. But it has no chase music, no footstep sounds, nothing. Basically, yeah. Alright. One downside to this is if a player sees you sneaking up on them, you're forced to move away. Okay? Alright. So, damage. Well, kind of infinite, since kind of like Peanut snaps your neck. Actually, no. Kind of 85. 85 per hit. Actually, no, like 45 per hit. No, let's keep it 85. 85-ish. Ability, no, wait. Speed, 23. Stamina. It doesn't even really have stamina. Just kind of chases you forever, so guess we're just... Dude, my mouth is so dry right now. Holy shit. Stamina of like... Excuse me. Stamina of freaking... That's 110. Sounds good. Also an upside for the people staring at you. You have a bar. If the players keep... This is like actual Lethal Company. If the player keeps staring at you, then basically your bar fills up more. Yeah. And then if the bar fills up when a player's looking at you, you're gonna be controlled. You don't have to do anything. And basically you just they just instant kill the player. So I don't think there's really escaping that. Might get a nerf, or I don't know if they add it and have my idea. Please, Blade Ninja, use my idea, please. Use my ideas, please, and add these monsters. I'm yapping my ass off for your game. Please do it. Anyways. What was I gonna say? Abilities. Basically the first ability basically grabs the player in the range and then drags them before snapping their neck. Instant kill. No matter how much HP you have. You can't escape it. To escape... No, you kind of can't escape the thing. Basically, to escape it, you will have like a quick time event. if you miss it, you'll instantly get your neck snapped. If you there's 3 rounds of it, so don't take too long, or your neck is gonna get snapped. So yeah. Second ability. What is second ability? I guess just seeing where everybody is. I don't really have an idea. If you anybody in the comments wants to replace any abilities, just say it in the comments. And yeah. Alright, Lord X has a pretty awesome chance. Especially since they're adding 2 EXEs to the game. Well, one of them already is in the game. But one of them's coming. Dude, my mouth is so dry. I can't fucking speak. Alright. Lord X. Kind of like MX. Except Sonic. Yeah. Alright. Ability. No, not ability. We're not gonna get to that yet. Damage 85. Speed 21. No, like 23. It sounds good. So why is EXE? No, I'm not gonna question it. What else? Oh yeah. Stamina 110. Ability 1. I found you. Basically what this ability does is teleport to a random player, or the last player he hit, and when you teleport to the player, you get a speed buff. And just a speed buff. Ability 2. Basically, your mouth will open, and like a bone hand will come out, grabbing anybody in the way, and then kind of just damages the player. 50 damage. So yeah, that's Lord X for you. And one of my favorite EXE, Fatal Error. Probably has a pretty good chance. Alright, Fatal Error. Alright, how do I explain this guy? Dude, my mouth is so dry. Holy crap. Alright. I already had abilities. I already had the abilities in my mind, so yeah, let's just get to it. Strength, 85. No, 40 per hit. You'll see why he's so weak in a second. Well, not really that weak, but you'll see why he does not do as much damage as other characters. Speed, 24. Stamina, 130. Pretty OP. No, wait, no, let's nerf the buff, or the stamina. Like 90. Actually, no, 100. Let's just do normal monster speed. Or stamina. Ability 1. Alright. So, basically, this ability is called Puppet. Basically, if you kill somebody, you could bring them back from the dead. Basically, you know how on the top they show people dead and alive. Basically, if you tap on any player on the top, they will come back to life as a monster. Basically, why do I say basically every 2 seconds? So if you every minute you could summon one back from the dead. So yeah, ability 2. What would ability 2 be? Oh yeah. Maybe this might be for EXE, but I'm doing this for Fatal Error. Basically what you do is you launch towards the player and you put them into a chase. Basically you run after them, where they have to run before if the timer runs out, the player escapes. But if fatal error catches the player, then the player dies instantly. The player has 30 seconds to escape. There's gonna be objects in the way. Also, everything turns pixel, and kind of like, you know how like classic Sonic and stuff like that, the original game, like the first games, like it's all pixely and you're not inside your character, you know. That basically it's like that. Probably gonna be hard to do, so the devs are probably gonna instead do something else about it, but I think that's a pretty good idea. So this is everything that I think that should be added to Prayer Trees 2. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like, share, subscribe. Next video is alright, Granny. Alright, bye.